Ever felt the need of checking your pulse rate or blood oxygen levels without going to a doctor? If so, we have India's most trusted brand EASYCARE's Pulse Oximeter for you. This oximeter has been made by using the latest German technology that can monitor your blood oxygen level and pulse rate within a minute. This clinically validated pulse oximeter does a non-invasive test that gives you high accuracy reading of your sp2O level and pulse rate anywhere. It has advanced features like anti-shaking technology and a 4-directional rotation LED display for your convenience. The device turns off automatically in 5 seconds to save battery life. It has a low battery indicator and continuous bar graph display for reliable performance. The screen brightness is adjusted for better eyesight and the screen is IPX4 rated water splash proof. Now let's see how to use this. Number 1 doctor recommended pulse oximeter. Attach the device to your index finger and press the button to start the pulse check. Hold still while it takes your pulse. The pulse will be shown on the LCD screen. Once done, pull out the finger and shut off in a while. This trustworthy and reliable product comes with neck, wrist cord, metal box, user manual, 2 AAA batteries and also hassle-free 1-year warranty.
Beware of fake products and trust EASYCARE's Pulse Oximeter. Keep your health in check.